Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video. I've been planning to make this video for like some times now. But thank God I'm finally here. So this is my introduction video. I just want to introduce myself and let you know what you will be expecting from me in this channel. So let's get into it. Yeah, my name is Ene Chisom. I'm from Enugu State, but I'm based in Abuja, here in Nigeria. I'm a graduate. I studied applied biochemistry from Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, Anambra State. I'm also a fashion designer. I learned the skill immediately I finished my NYSC program. Yeah, I'm married and I'm blessed with 3 children. Yeah, this is me. So what are you going to expect from me in this channel? What is this channel all about? I'm going to be doing 2 things for now. 2 tutorials on fashion and hair growth. Yeah, hair growth is actually like a skill. So you need to learn how to grow your hair long if you are interested. Just like my hair, it's actually a deliberate thing. You want to grow your hair long, you are going to learn how it's being done. Look at my hair. My deluxe hair is actually 30 inches in length now, and it's still growing. It is very much possible to grow your hair to any length of your choice, whether in virgin form or in deluxe form. As you can see, my hair is in deluxe state. So if your hair is still in virgin form and maybe you are scared of applying relaxer, or maybe you think that if you apply relaxer on your hair it's going to get damaged, to spoil and all that, in this channel I'm going to show you the right way to apply relaxer on your hair, and your hair will grow, will keep on growing. Your hair will be healthy, strong and shiny at the same time. So if you're interested in growing your hair long, your relaxed hair or your virgin hair long, shiny, healthy, you are welcome. All you need to do is please subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so that anytime I upload my video you will get notification and you will watch my videos. So in this channel I'm going to be sharing with you what I did to get my hair, what I did to get my hair at this length or this long. So if you are interested in growing your hair long, I'm going to show you how to maintain your hair, the products to use for your hair, both the store products and the DIYs. Everything you need to know about hair growth, I'm going to cover it in this channel. Please join the family, support me, and let's do this. The second one is fashion. So I've been in fashion industry for like more than 9 years now, and I bet it's actually a place to be. If you're looking for something to be doing to earn a living, fashion is, I think, is one of the best thing you can think of. I specialize in making female clothing, both native and English wears. So if you're interested in learning how to sew, maybe you want to learn one-on-one, because where I am in Abuja, I have a fashion house there. So if you're interested in learning one-on-one, let me know in the comment section so that we'll get to discuss. And if not, I'm going to be uploading videos on how to make clothes, and I promise you the tutorials are going to be beginner friendly. So if you are interested in learning, whichever way, both one-on-one or online on YouTube, you are welcome. Please join the family and let's do this together. I want to encourage you to please consider sharing this video to your friends, your family members, your colleague. You never can tell, it may be of help to them. So please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, support your girl, and let's do this. Thank you for watching.